forecast. Where? Well, not the river and Pompton Lakes. When? From Monday morning to early Tuesday morning. Impacts at 10.0 feet. Nuisance. Low-lying flooding occurs near the dam in the Pompton Lakes. At 11.5 feet, south section of Pompton Lakes experiences flooding. At 12.5 feet, several residences in Pompton Lakes along Radrad's Drive take on water. Additional details at 9:15 p.m. Sunday, the stage was 8.9 feet. Forecast. The river is expected to rise above flood stage tomorrow morning to a crest of 11.9 feet early tomorrow afternoon. It will then fall below flood stage early Tuesday morning. Flood stage is 11.5 feet. Flood history. This crest compares to a previous crest of 11.1 feet on March 31st, 2010. http://www.weather.gov/safety/flood.